What if I tell you there is a tool, a secret weapon you can say, that lets you peek behind the curtain of any of your competitors' viral video? And I am not just talking about their view count. I mean, even literally you can see their exact tags, descriptions, and even their hook strategy. And you can even map out their peak view spikes and sudden dips, giving you the perfect blueprint to copy and improve the content. And you're basically getting a crystal ball into your YouTube success. And in this video, I'm not just going to tell you about it, I am exactly going to show you and prove it to you. And trust me, if you're a content creator like me and even frustrated by searching the trending topics, you don't have to worry about it, because this tool is the absolute solution for just copying all the viral trends which you can grab from this tool and just recreate it and go viral. And this is the proven formula. So without wasting your time, let's begin. So this is the exact tool, and the link you will get in the description. So what you have to do is just you have to click on the link and you will be redirected to this website. So as you can see, you can even find the content for your YouTube channel according to a category, and that too trending wala, right? So it's an absolute easiest way to just go viral on YouTube with the with analyzing competitor strategy, and you can see much more you will get here of your competitors insights. So without wasting your time, let me show you how you can do it. Even though you can analyze on this website how all the thing works, but after clicking on login, after login you will see this interface. So basically what is this, you get three options here. You can search by the channel name, by the channel description, and even by the video keyword. Imagine if you want to search for AI automation category, you have to just type and you get plenty of the filters here. So we'll discuss this one by one. Now at very first, what we'll do is, let's see which channel is growing like a hell in the subscribers. Okay, now I have selected the 24-hour sub growth. I guess I shall just increase it. And this AI video means how many video have been tagged like AI generated by the channel, and the AI rate is like how much videos have been generated and tagged like AI generated by the video. And let's check for the 28 days ranking. As you can see, this channel is growing like a hell. Like just in 28 days, this channel has got 147K subscribers and still it's growing. And the best thing here is about this outliers, as you can see. Now let me tell you what the outlier is. Outlier is like the 8 videos have been performed absolutely well, like it had got more than 3x of the average channel views, right? So that is what the outlier is me. Now let's check all the history about this channel. I mean the crazy analytics about which I was talking. Okay, so at the very first we'll go to outliers. We'll check about those 8 videos which have performed very well. So as you can see, we are getting each and everything here. The video keywords, views per hour, this video is getting 85.9K view per hour. Like that's really amazing. And each and everything you can get it from here, right? So this was just a short, this was just a short form content which we have examined. And we can even check many more, and you can also block the inactive channels, right? The analytics which you will be showing here is of only the active channels which are currently trending. Like you can see 1.1 million within 21 days. Like this is absolutely amazing. Just look at this graph. You can even find the peak points as well as depths in the views, so you can examine it accordingly. And the main thing is you're getting absolute tags as well as video title and even many more information about it. So even though if you want to create a viral shot, just copy this and create it in your own way, it works, right? So after that, let's imagine if you're making a video or searching a trending topic on the topic AI news. Okay, so you can see these are all the trending shots currently on this topic or this category. It can be any category. Okay. Now I am searching for this AI news. What I'll do is I'll set that outlier to more than 10 or more than 5. It can be, as I explained, outlier is like how much videos have been performed well more than the average view of the channel. So basically I have selected more than 5. So this is the channel which is performing best in this category of the AI news. Now we'll examine this. So imagine if I have to create a video on this category of AI news, what I'll do is I'll just grab the insights of this video and I'll just recreate the same video by which I can go viral. This is absolutely amazing, right? Because people are showing their interest in seeing this type of videos. So why not will go viral with the help of this? So just see, we are getting video description, video titles, each and everything here, including the quality. And we are also getting all the insights like when they have created, how much time it took to create. And you also get the various filters here. They have given absolutely amazing filters which you can explore by yourself. And I request you guys to please check this website because it's literally a gold mine. Right, like you are literally examining each and everything of your competitors video with the help of this, and this is absolutely mind blowing. So you can even edit all these filters, and I am not editing this any because I guess this topic is awesome for this category. You can search for your category too. Now imagine you have to create your video. So what you will do is you will also just you can also save that. Now imagine you have to create any of the video which you have saved, right? So you can also save it in your collection, and I'll show you in a while. Now let's search for this video again. See, these are all the trending videos. Now let me just arrange it by the filters. We'll filter it by the view and the ascending order. We'll go for descending, I guess. Okay. So yes. So as you can see, these are all the insights which we are getting. Like these are all videos are the trending videos in this category of the AI news which I have searched, and we are also getting that the views per hour is like near about 42K views per hour in this category on the various videos. So it's easy. We have to just examine all that videos and we are all done for it. Like you don't even have to stress about the content which you have to create. Just come on this website, search about the category, and you will get the trending videos which are trending currently. And just copy the video keywords and the video description and edit the title in more creative way, but keep the tag same and you will see the exact video growth, and your channel will be viral. So this is how the people are going viral. Even the Faceless channel, they are following this strategy, and even I'm following this strategy, and this is absolutely mind-blowing. So hats off to the VIDX AI. It's absolutely amazing. The link you will get in the description, and make sure you try this tool out. Till that time, we'll meet in the next video.